This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Tyler Albrecht. Charming Freetown cottage, steeped in history, conveniently close to University and Downtown Lafayette. Pristine original wood floors, kitchen, and indoor laundry. Move-in ready, appliances provided. Fenced backyard, renovated bathroom with shiplap walls and clawfoot tub. Lawn care included. Pets considered with fees. Carport and driveway parking. Tenant covers utilities and internet, LUS Fiber available. Embrace comfort and character in this delightful abode. Act now. For more information, review the details below.